Hello students, welcome back to the reading of William Wordsworth's poem Ode on Intimations of Immortality. In our previous lecture, we talked about the title, the idea of pre-existence, the philosophical doctrine of innatism, and Wordsworthian cult of childhood. Well, today we shall continue with the poem. Completed in 1804, the poem in its present form was published in 1807 in the collection Poems in Two Volumes. The interesting fact about the poem is that the entire poem was not composed at a time. Rather, it was completed in two parts. The first four stanzas of the poem were composed in 1802, along with a series of other poems about childhood. The day before he wrote those four stanzas, Wordsworth had composed a poem called "The Rainbow". The poem is also known by the title "My Heart Lifts Up". The last three lines of this poem have been used as the epigraph of this ode. Since Wordsworth took his cult of childhood with great passion, he added seven more stanzas to the poem early in 1804. Thus, it became an irregular Pindaric ode in 11 stanzas. His friend Samuel Taylor Coleridge responded to it with his own poem, Dejection and Ode. In fact, Wordsworth wrote in one of his letters to Coleridge that they should group together poems relating to childhood. In this particular poem, Wordsworth contemplates one of his favorite and repeatedly used topics, that is, the poet's psychological development and a spiritual awakening, which is also found in many of Wordsworth's other poems, including the Prelude and Tinternabbe. Now, today, let us have a look at the text.